Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to change your language in PayPal. So let's get started. At first let's go to any browser and search for PayPal. Now we can click on this website over here. Now we need to log in first. Write your email address and password. Now click on login. So now we are in PayPal interface. Let's click on this setting icon over here. So let's tap on this. And here we can see the option for language. So this is where we can change the language. So let's tap on this. And right now only English language is available over here. And if it is actually available, we can see it here and change it from here. So this is all we can do to change language in PayPal. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.